How to find deleted listing on Facebook Marketplace. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Head towards the option of menu. After you land to the menu page, scroll down. Over here, you will find the option of Marketplace. Open it. Now over here, you're going to find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of Sell. Now click on this option of your listing. Now in this page, you're going to find all of your listing. Now how to find deleted listing on Facebook Marketplace. As if right now, once you delete any of the listing, it will be permanently removed from your Facebook account. At the moment, it's impossible to find deleted listing on Facebook. So rather what you can do is click on these three dots and set your listing to the mark as sold or mark as pending. With that, your listing will be removed from the marketplace, but it will appear in this page. Well, that's all for this video. If in the future Facebook comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. I hope now you guys are clear if you can find deleting listing on Facebook Marketplace or not. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.